Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Coco Delight, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Kosi, and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my Nigerian puff and how I got it to look this good and delicious. So stay tuned. Sit back and relax, and without further ado, let's get into this video. I have my flour, I have yeast, salt, my ground nutmeg, and I have water. I almost forgot my sugar. So now I'm going to be adding my baking powder. This is a new recipe I found on Instagram. I saw it wasn't like saw a lady adding her baking powder to her puff, and I said to try it out with you guys. So this is the first time I'm trying it, so we'll see how that goes. So now I'm gonna add my ground nutmeg. The ground nutmeg gives it flavor. Some people like nutmeg in their food, some people don't, but I personally like nutmeg because it gives it a great flavor, especially in bacon. But some people use it to cook too. It has its benefits, I guess. And then I'm gonna be adding my sugar. You can add sugar to your preference, it doesn't matter. And my yeast. So yeast is really important because it helps the dough to rise, the batter to rise, not the dough, I'm sorry. It helps the batter to rise. So yeah, yeast is the most important ingredient in your bacon, especially for puff bacon. Yeah, so I was confused when she was adding her baking powder because yeast was supposed to be a leavening agent in the puff. But we'll see how that turns out because this is the first time I'm trying it with my baking powder. I'm sorry I didn't put a picture up before because I was still contemplating whether to add it. Okay, well now I'm gonna mix it up. Just mix all the dry ingredients together. Some people love to proof their yeast, by the way, but I don't proof mine because I just got the yeast. But if it's been there for a while, then I'll probably proof the yeast. And proofing means putting the yeast in water and sugar just to make sure it's active. And I'm gonna be putting my water. So when it comes to the water is very tricky, so add water to your preference. Again, everything in baking has to be with your preference and what you like and what you don't like in your food. Like some people might not want a lot of water, but I put water so it can be thicker than my pancake batter. So you know how pancake batter is watery. You don't want a watery batter. You want something thick, not too thick and not too watery either. So don't I say Kosi said put water in your puff and then you put it to be like water that you're drinking. No, just put water moderate proportions. Don't put, like, you can see my dough, it was too thick, so I added more water. So the thicker it is, you might want to add more water. And yeah, if you think it's okay, then go for it. But personally, I just like it to be a little bit light and also a little bit thick too. So yeah, and I'm gonna when I'm done with this, I'm gonna use my hand mixer to mix mix the batter so I can take out the lumps. If you can take out the lumps with your hands, then go for it. But I usually use my hand mixer so I know all the lumps are gone. I'm probably gonna put a picture up to see what it looks like before I use the hand mixer and after I use the hand mixer. So I'm gonna be covering with my plastic wrap and putting in the oven to rise for about 1 to 2 hours. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. You're gonna turn it or mix it up with your wooden spoon so you can get out all the air bubbles in it, and then fry it. I'm sorry I couldn't get a good video of me frying it because I couldn't record and fry at the same time. It was kind of hard to record and fry at the same time. So this is the end result of the puff. As you can see, the puff is looking good. It's fluffy and it's round. So the baking powder wasn't really a problem that I thought it would be in the batter, so that's good. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you so much.